YouTuber is hard. Take 3, and this is our second video. It is 4:15 in the morning. We made it past the devil's hour. We specifically made this video because all I would do is hiccup. Very weirdly, you can tell by the title. If you decide to make this video, and subscribe, hit the post notifications so you know whenever we upload a video, which is probably gonna be in like 5 seconds. Yeah, like two minutes from now. We always upload videos. You're welcome. If we ever go on a vacation and we don't have our tablet or recorder, we need videos to watch. So we upload them like crazy. We will try to be getting gaming videos in. We will try. And would you like to see our lighting? It's very bad. So just look at what it is. Yeah, it's nothing like that. It's like way better. Like it's I can't explain. It's just way better. Well, meet me, the editor, who cannot edit because we don't have a laptop to connect this to. So we just do some filters. Yeah, if we were editors, you would see like crap everywhere. I mean, like turn. Wait. You would be seeing. She's looking for a pop socket thing that we used a lot at the store. We ripped it off the back because you would be seeing a lot of this, a lot of that, and a lot of this. We took out the back. You can tell, and you see like sticking onto our tablet, but it was so crappy. Like the suction cup. Yeah, I'm not looking for the suction cup, but it is so crappy. But what do you expect? No. It was good at first. Then we stuck it. Yeah, and you know those piggy things you get at the store? Mhm. I stuck one on my head and I had a red dot. The guys from it's gone now. Like guys from a prehistoric country. Foreign country. I know, idiot. I need to wear glasses. They actually help me stink. No, they don't. They improve vision. Yeah. Get up today. And why does it look like I'm looking down when I'm looking straight at you people? Probably just my mom watching. Look at me. Yes, I'm looking at people. Just mom. So depressing. I forgot what I was gonna say. Life as a YouTuber is hard because you have to like remake the video a million times to get the perfect one. The perfect YouTuber. Okay, why are we still on things of the Lord same time? Also, she's way better. You should just go to her channel, but remember, Square Ow! Remember to subscribe. I'm trying to say something so we can get viewers and get money. Actually, we think I don't want that. Again, just so her name's Corinne. I'm Alana, and mixed together we're Corlana. Corinne equals editor. Alana equals lazy human. Yes. I will tell her what to do. No, you don't. I just I just watch. I just add filters because I can't. You know. The whole situation about how come you always show your stupid face in mine? Because I'm cuter than you. We're like the same thing. You're the same human. Split into two. That's just gross. Definition of twin. No, it's gross. That's food. That's her. That's you. It's like rubber too. It's a rubber turd. No, it's not from Spencer's. I don't think you expect something that is $1. No. Subscribe and hit the post notifications if you forget. If we get to 10 subscribers, at least 10. We'll try. We might just do it on the refrigerator because that's close to the dead giant where we have here. But we're gonna have to steal a burger from a Walmart at our dad's house, which is like he has custody of us. Shut up! Don't talk about that. Not after we do it. No, we won't. I'm sorry. Don't listen to that. I heard if you hit subscribe and hit the post notifications, you win a Lamborghini or whatever car you want and $1 million.
No, not really. It's just called you help me get money and survive my horrible life.
Also, we have 2 guinea pigs and we rescued a turtle.
But
He's doing too good. So our dad probably let him go.
yeah. And we're only 9. Oh, it's 10. Live as a love about our child and we will not be doing that in my life. If this lasts for a couple more, like 10 more years.
If we get to, and let's try to get to, how much likes should we get?
1. Not by us though. So 2.
I think we should get to about 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes on this video, and I hate mustard. I will squirt mustard in my mouth.
No, 10 likes, because we're never gonna get 1,000 likes so far.
No,
5.
I don't.
5, please. I'll do it with you.
Yeah, we'll make a video.
Fine, 2 likes then. No,
We'll
one
see.
like,
We'll try
one
to
like.
do the eat it or wear it challenge.
No,
Stuff in our
no.
fridge.
Our next video. Come on, please.
I'm doing it on my butt.
Mustard or eating foods that we hate.
Yes.
Oh my. What's that? Okay, our mom just texted us.
Hello.
Hello? What does that mean, people?
Leave in the comments down below.
Video.
Wait, look how I'm drum rolling. Oh my good old butt. It's covered in a blanket, but look. It's your butt. There's something there. Alright, I don't want to get demonetized by showing a butt.
We're probably getting demonetized because of me when I say guys, I'm not gonna have any money.
Oh my
Because
god.
I need some.
No, we don't. We're 9 years old.
Our mom and dad need some.
Yes. And maybe we'll even donate it to an animal shelter.
And the only reason I'm not wearing glasses, the crappy quality. Yeah. It's night. Yeah, it's like it's 4:22. Yeah. But I need to wear glasses to read, so
And she just wears them whenever she wants.
because there's like, and luckily made for her mom everything. But like, if you
Say what you think our brother made.
turn.
Which one do you think our brother made?
Which one?
Is it the I Love You robot? The elephant orange one thing?
Then
Or
the
the-
pink.
Yes.
Who do you think it is? We'll be announcing it in our next video.
We'll probably forget. It'll
Oh.
probably be like right after this one.
Well,
But remember to subscribe and hit the post notifications,
And like.
and if you don't, you will regret it.
Because we'll die.
We'll just be.
Well, I'm not so over dramatic. My eyes are watering.
We'll be very. Wait, I want to put it. I
Ow,
wanna put-
ow, my eyes.
We'll be very mad at ourselves. That looks so weird.
God help me.
We will be very disappointed in ourselves because we are not good.
And our only recording place is our mom's bedroom, and we're on our bed. Our mom's bed is all the way in the good place.
And it's a frigid mess. I was trying to not say frickin', but I did.
I'm probably get copyrighted just from that. Sorry that my finger's in the way, so bye, like and subscribe.
Hit the post notifications
bell
bell.
thingy my bobber. And we'll see